How to buy crypto on MetaMask. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on MetaMask. Now you can use MetaMask block portfolio in order to buy crypto. Here is how you can do it. You want to simply open up the MetaMask application or on the website. You want to log in or you want to create a wallet, right? It'll ask you to create a wallet and it'll give you a portfolio. Now let it load up. It's taking some time to load up, but once it loads up, what you want to do is, so once you're logged in, as you can see on the screen, you'll get an face somewhat like this. At the bottom you can see the little arrow icon there facing upward and downwards. On the middle you want to tap on it at the bottom, and then you can see buy option there. You can see buy crypto with caps option. You want to simply tap on the buy option there. You want to select your reason. You can simply select your reason here, and once you select your reason, simply tap on continue, and it'll ask you to choose your payment methods. You'll get the payment methods depending on your reason. So in my case, on my reason, I can see your Google Pay, and you can use debit or credit card. Simply select the particular there, tap on continue to amount, and then you want to add in the amount that you wish to buy. That is, you want to select the currency here, and you can select the what you want to buy, whether Ethereum, JRX, or you can search for it. For example, you can search here and then you can choose it, and then you can choose the amount, and you can use your Google Pay, add your Google Play method, your payment method. Simply tap on get codes and it'll fetch codes, and once you do so here, it'll take you through a couple more prompts, and you can continue and go ahead and make the payment. And once you do so, you'll be able to get at the crypto. So this way you can buy crypto on MetaMask. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.